In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily install IPTV and the VPN here on your Xiaomi TV. For this, go into the home menu. And here in the home menu, go all the way to the apps here to the right. And here on apps, we have your apps. So this is the all installed apps. And now we can go down here and here we can directly search for apps. So, and yeah, if you have like an older Xiaomi TV, then you maybe have there a Google Play Store. So click on this, and then here in the Play Store, we can, or here in the search bar, we can look for a VPN or like IPTV. But we can also go here into the app categories, and here we have like, also when we go further down, then we have like here IPTV. So this is Smartest Pro, but what we also can do is like video players and editors. And here we have also like Smartest Pro. So this is IPTV, we can download this, or also like different IPTVs, IPTV player, but also TVMate is a good IPTV. So then we have also like tools, and here on tools we have like internet browser, downloader, but also like here NordVPN, or what I can recommend is like Proton VPN. So this is for free, and here we can also easily download this, and then we can install this. And this is how we can easily install and download VPNs and IPTVs on our Xiaomi TV. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.